First step, drag your project to here and you see it doesn't fit at all. Click right, go to transform and fit to comp. Then it fit comp, double click, use this tool. Its name is a Roto Brush, and brush carefully your object. Then you click Ctrl and click right. You can make it bigger or small. You can use a refine edge tool. It is very good for hair people. Then you select your object, click freeze to brush faster. After that, you must wait to complete process. When your process complete, go to composition comp. You see there is no background here. You import your new background, drag here, and you see this man now is here too. And also transform your background to fit comp. Process is complete. It is so easy to remove background in After Effects. There is no challenge. Just be careful to brush right your object. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more editing content.